Knowing the location of every performer on stage can add a whole other layer to your sound design. Imagine wherever someone is standing, it sounds like their voice is coming from that point. ZachTrack makes it possible. In this video, we're going to take a look at how your location data can be sent via OSC Open Sound Control for this very purpose. In this video, we're going to look at one way this goal can be accomplished. However, there are others, and they can be specific to how your sound console wants to receive the positional data. We're going to use the XY range absolute method, and we'll be sending the data out via a float command. First, we will need our OSC fixture type. This is where all of the OSC settings are configured. Go to the Show Editor, then the Fixture Types tab. Then we press the green plus to add a fixture type. In the Other Protocols tab, you will see the Open Sound Control OSC fixture type. The first question you are asked when creating a new OSC fixture type is the name, and if you want to use a preset or start with a default setting. You might find a preset with all of the settings needed to configure with your sound device. I'm going to be working with the ADM Audio Definition Model XY preset. These are more generic settings that could work with a variety of softwares. Consult your software's manual for specifics pertaining to it. The first thing we need to set is the target IP port. The data is sent directly to the IP of your receiving device. For me, it will be 172.20.33.65 with the port of 8000. The address is the OSC address that it will send out. It will be using the actor's DMX as the identifying value. Then the X and Y positions will be part of the argument. We then have to define the coordinate system of these X and Y values. This also needs to line up with what your receiving device has for a coordinate system. We create it by using 3 calibration points that were created before entering this menu. One for the origin, one for the X, and one for the Y. Then the ranges are established, so the OSC messages are sending out the correct positional values. Mine is going to run from -3 meters to +3 meters in both directions. With this set, we can press OK. Now with our fixture type and settings in order, we need to patch the fixture. In the Fixtures tab, we will need to patch one OSC fixture for each actor we need to send the positional data for. I have 4 actors in my show. I will patch 4 OSC fixtures. Press the green plus and choose the OSC fixture type we just created. Then we need to make sure our quantity is set to 4. Press OK when complete. Before we can use these fixtures in the live view, they need to be uploaded to the server. Now in the live view, we set each of the OSC fixtures to follow a different actor. When in the settings for the OSC fixture, I can also enable visualization to see where the OSC grid is placed in the live view. Now when my actors are moving in that grid, I can see these OSC ranges are sent to my receiving sound device.